They're throwing on the PJ, PJ. Call her, Bala. You got a panda on the
Mart.
So this is also we are in a panda mart. It is the first panda mart in Canada,
Yes.
and it's huge.
It's giving vibes of Target.
Wow, and things are really dirt cheap, like it's yeah, I think so. You see, look for this one, $6. Yeah, didn't it? This is in a flower section. Whoa, this is huge. Like, just check it out. It's huge. Like, you can get an idea how big is that. Yeah. So let's see the price for this one. $2. Lila, $5. I don't know, $5 or $2, something like this. A candle. Yeah, so these are all a vase section. I think they're pretty much sold out, like on this shelf, right? And then we've got this one there, $8. What is that? It's a candle holder. These are made out of, I don't know, ceramic. It's like an $8. Yeah. This is a $9, really fancy pot. Vase for your flowers. Wow. This is kind of neat though.
Look. This is very, very rough.
Was the $13, $21, $23. Thank you. Here, like $39, $26. Like if you, these are like a mosaic. But they, for kids, they are really beautiful hair bands. Like a lot of options and the price are really reasonable. You can see a really nice collection of flowers there. Yeah, chapel in the chapel in the door. $9 $9. So let's see for $30. You see, they look really natural. They go about like $60 English. This is not like cheap. Yeah, the woman you should have just some juice. So the stationery item is really reasonable here. It's like $1, $2, and they have some options. Then acrylic paint. Yeah, for stationery definitely a good option. Yeah, that's really pa kharsa de rosa re. Panda mart la di pech mo to tang azu de kya ge sa shots la ju do ilindan da warden la do review di ani shitons do 4 point something one on the let's see no no lan ge kan chu te ngo ide do sto ba da ngazu iro mo fa de re kla ya da de ne de ngazu class asa de ge tro da ni pomo kama tro ni de good de sha the nail polish with the sha and come you don't pass on the musician with the dota the blog background the jimba and jawage dosh to do the kada nanglo desa da buzu inde do chapsido resha the qurani kabedo mar chene de sha order nyaga lemon soda dille re ni kumoga jini lemon soda kandalle maso ya and mora nail polish the kumujik dana gear can nail polish the nails the
nail glue is like not that good.
she's quite happy with what she got it from there mara de lemon soda chinga ero ini yakudo usdu ajo masho ni shose lazizwe ande kamadrogi order chijo de fish pakora re handi de dos thongdo ya ni de rating ge jati ngani shimpo chonso kamadroga konzo os chons lagdo medan ge da chin yo gor de so ka de
Look at my nails.
de da kamadroga nail khande chat ta te pening juma chate sha thank you yeah the audio do the hondi gen moranga de mango lasile son mango lasi khande do labe and de konjo some 10 out of 8 do lagdu morangi the morangi ge share the na la blog hindi musician and young copyright do ro on the do che generation slang rogula so they come draw ga the cause the fish pokoro miklo dan de to come draw saro ma I'm waiting do la de yo yeah come draw red chin khande do live ta come draw gi chik sas ro ani nge ke ja thi kunjo de ta tonyam gor da to osto las ra de shim local 8 okay come draw 8 mama gaza yeah the Qurani ga reading 8 straight so ta narang khala gude tarinde nyegi vlog style dojen chicks we try chain ye modern rogan josh ta nan ni dos kanchila roche ta la hopefully you guys like my video ni abo yo na ko chi ma ba kon ta roche like chiro che share chiro che subscribe chiro che laso thank you